Welcome back!
My mommy, my Evie, Grandma Day, they got Christmas. Mine.
That's perfect. You did such a good job.
Yeah.
Wow. What Evie was saying is, my name's Mummy, Amelia, and this is Evie, and today we're going to decorate the Christmas tree. Well, sort of, not really. We're actually decorating Evie's Christmas tree because we bought a little Christmas tree from Kmart for $6, and it's Evie's Christmas tree so she can decorate it, and we had a little problem because we did start this video and the battery died on the camera, so we had to charge it, and in the meantime Evie started decorating already. So she has started and we're going to show you what she's done, hey? And then we're going to make some Christmas crafts so then we can actually put them on the real tree. Yeah? And what are we going to make later, Evie? Hang on. Okay. We're going to make orange garlands, dried orange garlands later. And we're going to put them up when Bridie comes over because we're going to do my house together. So we're going to dry some orange garlands and make some other beaded garlands as well. But for now, let's show everyone what you've done with your Christmas tree, Evie. You want to show everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, excuse our house. We have kind of moved in recently, so it's kind of a mess, and we have Christmas stuff out, and we just got a new couch, so it looks amazing, but it's covered in like Christmas decorations because Evie's been having fun. So let's show everyone, okay? All right. Okay, Evie, show us what you've done with your tree.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Oh, wow. What have you got here? Have you put the ribbon on the tree and the lace? And what's this one? Is that like something for a present? Oh, wow. That's beautiful. And you want to put that on? Okay. Beautiful. What about, do you want to put some love hearts on? What about these ones? Yeah? Okay. You know you got to decorate the other side. Let's turn it around and we'll decorate this side too. Put it on the tree. Oh, beautiful, sweetheart. Look at that concentration. Are we going to continue the tree? And then we're going to show everyone how to make the orange garlands. Is that a good idea?
Yeah.
Okay. See you soon, everyone.
Bye.
What are we going to do with those, Evie?
We hang them up tree.
Yeah, we're going to hang them up on the tree. So we've got to cut them up and we've got to put them in the oven and cook them.
Cook them?
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye. What are you doing? Okay, can you see? Bend down. So, you have to deal with this terrible angle. But anyway. Okay, are you copying me? Are you trying to copy me?
Yeah.
You're so funny.
Yeah.
I love you. So as we said before, we're going to be making some orange garlands to put on our Christmas tree, as well as any wreaths or maybe some garlands to go across the window frames. And I might also make some individual little ornaments out of these. This is terrible. This is just terrible. Okay, that's better. Okay, we're just gonna hold it. So what do we need, Evie? What do we need? Do we need an orange?
Okay.
How many oranges are we gonna use?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6? We've got 5 oranges. We probably might not even need that many. That's quite a lot. But I want to make sure we have at least a decent amount. And we're going to put the orange slices in there. That's Evie's job. Hey, so Mummy's going to cut it with a knife on the chopping board. And Evie's going to put the slices in a bowl. And then once we've cut it all up, we're going to put it on a tray with parchment paper or baking paper. So then that way we can put it in the oven. Okay?
Very yummy.
put in the oven for baby and me. It's her favourite nursery rhyme. Patty cake, bake it now. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Anyway, alright, let's go make these cool garlands and hopefully they turn out. P.S. I'm going for like a really cozy Christmas, kind of traditional but rustic Christmas this year. So we're gonna have like deep berry reds and greens and whites, as well as the orange infused in amongst everything too. So it's going to be quite cute and cozy. I've always wanted to try this garland, see if we can make this work, and I can't wait to see what it turns out to be like.
It's working. This is working. It's working.
I think I need a serrated edge. I thought I would, but this is just... yeah, that's not gonna happen. I'm hacking into it. Ever doing this with children, make sure they can have something to do while you cut, because they get bored and they want to eat everything. Okay, so now that we've cut all of our oranges, take a look at them. How cute are they? So yummy. Evie's so tempted to eat them. She keeps touching them, don't you? What happened to your arm, Evie? She has a little cut on her arm, and because she was digging into those orange ends, she got some orange juice in her little cut, and she was a bit upset, and she's got orange juice all over her white top and on her face. It's just everywhere, isn't it? Look at your hair. We're gonna put these beautiful fresh oranges, which I really wanna eat, onto some baking paper on just a baking pan. You could also use a wire rack if you have one. So we're gonna lay them out flat, like that, all the way along. But make sure that when you're cutting them, they are the similar width apart as each other, so then they'll cook evenly. You don't want too many thin ones and then thick ones. All right, let's lay them out. Make sure they're even, baby. I love your singing. Okay, so once you have completed putting them on the tray nice and flat, then we're going to put them in the oven for 120 degrees Celsius for about 3 hours. So this is about an hour and a half in to cooking, and they're looking kind of a lot drier, and they're starting to get browner around the edges, which is what you want. So I'm just going to flip them. These were on like the top shelf of the oven, so they seem to be getting a bit more drier quicker, so I might have to keep an eye on them. But the second layer I've got in there is a bit lower, so it seems to be not as dry as these ones. Oh, it looks pretty rank. I forgot to film this. So I popped the ends of the oranges that we cut up into a pot of water with some cinnamon, nutmeg and allspice powder. I would love to have used like a stick of cinnamon and cloves and stuff to make it look really cute, but I didn't have that, so I just had like the powdered version. So I put that in with some water, like half a pot of water, and simmered it, and oh my gosh, the house smells so nice, so fresh and Christmassy and orange, like it's amazing. Plus we've got the oranges cooking in the oven, so that's even better. So yeah, but that's something you could do with the leftover oranges if you didn't want to just throw them out. What you doing? Good girl, you threaded it. Oh good. Oh, don't pull it too hard, darling. Miss Moo's helping me bead the garland. She's very good at it. So I got this beaded garland. Now this was already put together as a beaded garland, but they were all like together, like they weren't separate like this. And I got that from Kmart. This is 2 packets worth from Kmart, and they were $5 for a meter, almost 2 meters I think. Anyway, so I took it all apart and I'm rethreading it, and I'm going to make them separate like this, so it'll go further, it'll be more around the tree, and I'm also wanting to hopefully have some leftovers. I do have another pack as well, and I'm hopefully going to use that for the orange garland that we've made. So hopefully it'll turn out and I'll have enough beads, because I just want to like use what I have. I don't want to go buy another packet of beads, so I've already got 3. So I thought I may as well like try this. Hopefully it'll look good in the separated pattern, and we'll see what it turns out to be like.
Welcome back.
So it's the next day. So yesterday we made oranges. Can you show everyone the oranges we made? You show them? Wow. Aren't they cool? Yeah, they're like candy oranges. Look at them. They're great, aren't they?
We eat them.
We're not going to eat them, no. You might be able to, but we're not going to. Don't push your holes in it, please. Don't press it.
On how?
So, we're going to make an orange garland, aren't we? So we're going to thread it with a needle, and then we're also going to put some beads on there too, hey? And maybe with leftover oranges, we're going to make some little ornaments from the tree.
I want to open.
Does that sound good?
Yeah.
You going to help me? Okay, so don't put holes in it, please. Okay. Honestly, I couldn't be bothered. I put a cute top on, and I just got my tights on because I can't be bothered to find anything cute, and I'm at home, so I want to be comfy. Alright, so Evie, Mummy's going to get you some thread, and you're going to make some cute little bead ornaments, okay? Does that sound fun? Because I don't know if you can do this. Okay, so let's have a look. So Mummy's going to do the garland. Do you want to do some bead ornaments?
Yeah.
Will that be cute?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, hang on, Mummy needs scissors.
You need scissors?
I do need scissors.
Why?
Why? Because we're going to chop them. Chop the cord. So, something we should take note about is I cooked these for 3 hours total. So, an hour and a half. I flipped them and then cooked them again for another hour and a half. One tray of oranges were at the top of the oven, and the other tray was at the bottom. So the bottom one was fine. It lasted really well and it didn't get burnt, but there was a couple of burnt ones. They were a bit thin and they were on the top layer. So just be aware of that. Make sure you check on them now and again. So after the 3 hours, I got them out and I let them cool down, and they were slightly a little bit sticky still. They weren't as crisp as I thought. Like they were, but they weren't like overly. So I thought, oh, I'll leave them overnight just to air dry and see what happens, because I've heard that that works as well. And they did dry out more, but then I thought, oh, they're still a little bit sticky and not as hard as I wanted them. So I put them in the oven for about 15 minutes probably on 80 degrees, just very low heat. And that seemed to dry them out even better. So pretty happy with how they turned out. And they're not like a nice, are you running around me? How can I talk to people? They're like a nice burnt orange color, so it's great. So let's make some, hey? So Evie, what do we need today? So we need your oranges that you made, and some beads, some cord or thread, some scissors, a good size needle that will hold your yarn with a good size eye to put it through. I've also got this yarn too because I thought, or cord, I thought that Evie could make some little ornaments because she loves threading stuff. So we'll just do that as well as me making the garland. What are you doing? You're using my burnt ones. In the meantime, Mummy is making a garland. Now, I'm not sure if I should be doing like a bigger space in between the oranges or if I should do a smaller space. I don't know. I'm kind of liking the bigger space. It kind of looks effective, but I don't know. I'm going to have a think. As you can see, I have threaded with the needle and put it across the back, so then it'll sit nice and flat. And you want to do it like this, so then you'll see the garland. If you don't do it like that and you just put it like through the top, it'll just sit like that, pretty much like what Evie's doing. She's just threading one hole. Like, can I show you? See, it'll just sit like that. And then when the sun comes through, it's kind of like a stained glass window. It's quite beautiful. hope you enjoyed this video. It was so much fun making the oranges. Hey, did you have fun? You made some ornaments on the tree? Pretty. In the star, yeah. And then we put some in the garland. Yeah, wasn't that beautiful? Did you love it? I love you. Do you want to say goodbye to everyone?
Bye.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
See you next time.
Like and subscribe.
Like and guide.
Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more DIYs and Christmas stuff coming your way very soon. And click the bell button so you get reminders. Alright, bye.
Welcome back.
Finished?
Welcome back. My Evie, my mommy. Holiday, night turn off. No time this down. Making
What are you making, Evie?
ribbon.
A ribbon?
Yeah.
Are you sewing?
Yeah. I want
Do you want to do it?
Yummy. Look.
You're very good at
This.
You gotta show them. Away. Step away. Back, back, back.
Wow. No time here, I think here. The hand. Say my number. Say my choice.
Show your toys.
Say my up here.
Toys that you've got to clean up. Hey.
Ta-da, my hand. I think here. It's in here.
Now, quickly, 1. Okay, that's enough. You're showing them everything. That's so good. Thank you.